Hi y'all, Jeff here with Jeff's Cars and Garage, and just going to throw a little quick video out there, just as kind of a teaser. So right here next to the 280 SEL 4.5, and sitting here getting a little dusty in the garage, but hopefully this weekend be working on some things with this car. There was an old radio in there, an old cassette Kenwood that was in there. It was wired up. Don't know if it works or not, but really doesn't matter because I decided I was going to replace it. Now, it's kind of funny how you look at the radio like this, and this is probably, I don't know, let me see. Let me put my glasses on. Does it have a date on it? It sure... 3/4 of 86 is when this thing was put in. Somebody dated it. 3/4 of 86. Wow. All right, well, it's funny because I ordered a new radio. This one was a Kenwood, and of course everybody knows some of the, if you're a car person, you know the brands. I ordered a Jensen, and this is the size of the radio today. That's it. Of course, there's no cassette, there's no DVD or CD, and so, yeah, look at that. And I thought, well, that's kind of weird. Is it really much of a radio? I mean, it is Bluetooth. Does it really have any sound to it? And so I thought, well, this doesn't look right. Is it just a head unit? Does it have to have an amplifier? And it says built-in Bluetooth technology with hands-free calling. Okay, so it's a modern day kind of thing. AM/FM tuner with 30 presets. J-Link smart remote app via Bluetooth. So it connects to Apple and Android, and front panel USB with 1 amp charging, front panel 3mm auxiliary input, pair of RCA preamp output. So yes, it does have to have an amp. So it's really nothing more than a tuner. And I kind of thought that when I ordered, or when it came in. So I decided I better, and I'm not going to take it out of the box, I better order something a little bit different because I really don't need a radio with a high-powered amp. So I ordered a Blaupunk, of course Blaupunk, made in Germany, an MP3 receiver. And of course the model is Vermont 72. So, okay, we're going to put a Model 72 in a 72 car, Blaupunk brand established in 1924 in Germany. Now it's an auxiliary, USB, Bluetooth, micro SD card, and FM. So there's no AM on this. So I thought, well, that's what we're going to put in. So, I'm going to go from this to that, hopefully this weekend. Plus, and I talked in another video about the speakers back there. So I'm going to, I went and got, I don't know, 650 watt coaxial speakers, 5x7, 6x8, two-way. They could take the power if I do want to put an amp. Don't know if I'm going to do that or not, but there it is, folks. That's going to be part of the project, and the other part of the project on this car is I am going to try and get the daggum glove box put back together. We'll figure out the nut situation. I'm going to have to take the driver's seat out. I do want to clean up the inside a little bit better. I just want to start getting it put back together, figure out how to get, this rubber seal. I've been looking for the Mercedes brand because this stuff from Turkey, while it's okay, it'll work. It's just not quite the same specification, but you know, and then if I'm going to paint the car, then I'm going to have to take it off anyway. So I don't know what I'm going to do here yet, but we're going to work on that. But, and I also got to worry about this window, because remember, this is as far up as it goes. So I've got to check the window regulator at some point. Just lots of work to be done. So be watching for another video. We'll probably be doing that sometime in the near future. Yeah, I want to get this car. I want to make it to where I can drive it a little bit, just kind of drive it around town. Thanks for watching. Comments down below. Have a great day, and keep continuing to follow what the progress on the car. And I did get one person send me a potential name for the car. We'll see what happens. Thank you again for watching. Have a great day.